So hi all, welcome to Pankuri. This is me Sonika, and for today I'm going to be giving you my top 5 recommendations that you can try out from Sugar Cosmetics. So let's start off. So for product number 1, we have the Sugar's collaboration with Wonder Woman, and these are the mixed palettes which they launched. So these contain the eyeshadow plus all the face products in them, which is just perfect to use on a day-to-day basis. So they have eyeshadows in the middle, and they also have all of your face products like a contour, a blush, and a highlighter. So I would say this is this is perfect for travel, and this is perfect for wearing on a day-to-day basis. The shimmer formulation in these palettes are simply outstanding. These are one of the most unique shimmer formulations which have ever been launched, and these are like really good. They have a beautiful sparkle to it, and some of them have these pearlescent kind of shimmer particles which are infused in it, which just makes it perfect to add a little bit of dazzle to your looks. So I have them in 2 shades, and this is 01, which is more of an orange tone, a very warm brown tone palette, and 02 is more catering towards the pink tone family side. So depending on whichever tone which you like, I think these two would work really great for you. So moving on to product number 2 are the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer, Highlighter, and the Blush Trios. So they basically come in multiple shades, and they have a lot of different tones and varieties in them, and these are extremely small. They're perfect for travel, and they're perfect for carrying on the go. So these are extremely pigmented, very blendable, and they complement really well for Indian complexion too. I would definitely recommend that you can pick out a couple of blush shades and a couple of highlighter shades and get one contour shade which suits your skin tone, and you're pretty much done with the entire definition on your skin. The contour shade which works perfect for my skin tone is 01 Top Topper, and this one is just perfect for light to medium skin tone. So for the blush recommendation, I have the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. So this one is a salmony tone with a tint of coral in it. This is a matte blush. It's extremely pigmented. It blends out beautifully. This would look great across light, medium, and tan skin tones. So my favorite highlighter from this range is 04 Royal Rose, and this has a tint of rose running through it, and it has silver specks of shimmer running through it too. It does not really accentuate texture because it does not have any huger chunks. Rather, this looks like a natural subtle glow on your skin, which is perfect for everyday use. So moving on to my top 3rd product from Sugar, we have the Sugar Blend Trend brushes, and these brushes are one of the best ones I've ever tried out in India. The brushes are perfect for just blending and buffing out your products into your skin, and some of my most favorite ones are the face brushes which are there in this range, like the foundation brush, the blush brush, and as well as the contour brush. So these are just perfect to use on a day-to-day basis. They're extremely easy to clean. They pick up a good amount of product. They're super soft, very silky, and the quality of these are top notch. I would definitely recommend these for daily use. So moving on to product number 4, we have the Sugar Good Moody's lip crayons, and these are basically lip crayons, and these are extremely comfortable to wear even for the most longest time, and they stay put on your lips even for a very longer period of time. So these are super pigmented, and they also have a matte finish, but when it's on the lip, it feels extremely comfortable and very creamy in nature. So moving on to my top 5th product from Sugar, we have the Sugar Jelly eyeshadows, and these are one of the most unique formulations with a very intense finish. These are all water-based products, and they work really good on the lid. They do not crease, they do not make your lids feeling dry too. So the jelly eyeshadows come in a total of 8 shades, and these are extremely sparkly, very metallic, extremely pigmented, and they also give you a great color payoff with great dimension on your lids. So those are my top 5 favorite products from Sugar Cosmetics, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. So let us know which other product suggestions that you require from a certain brand down in the comment section below, and do give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, and until next time, bye.